Hi, Patrick here. I just want to take a couple of minutes and show you how we're getting people to visit our church, Calvary Chapel, San Clemente, to get people to come and visit. And so it starts with a Google search. People are using their phone. Let me just go ahead and do it. Bible Churches, San Clemente. Okay, you can see the search there, and let's scroll down for the results. And there's 3 results here. Our church, Calvary Chapel, San Clemente, is there with 17 reviews, and then there's another church with 18 and one with 3. Now, one of the things that we found is that we were having some trouble getting reviews for our church. Now, through my business, I went out and actually found and developed a review builder, and I'm going to share that with you and show you how it's working to actually get reviews. But I also want to explain how the reviews work and how we get people to visit. So people start with the search, as you can see right here in Google. They find a church that comes up in the results, and then they go in and they actually read the reviews. So let's go in there and just show you how this works. So people would then click on the reviews, they would come in, and they would then click on the reviews here, and it would take them to the reviews, and then they begin to read the reviews of the people. Now, as they read these reviews, they make a decision on whether or not they're going to visit the church. And that is how it's working right now. So the next thing I want to show you is the review builder itself and how that works. So let me just take you to that. This is the review builder that we're using. And let me just tell you that this review builder can actually go on a phone, or it can go on a tablet, or it can even go on a computer. And you simply ask the attendees, you walk up to one and just say, is it okay if I send you a text to get some feedback on how we're doing here at Calvary Chapel, San Clemente? Now, everybody says yes that I asked that to. And when they do, then I go ahead and I fill in their name. So I'm just going to use my name to fill in so you can see how it works. I say, what's your email? And they tell me the email, and I fill that in. And then what is your cell phone number? And I fill that in. Once I have that information, then I say, okay, I'm going to go ahead and send you a feedback request from Holland. And all you have to do is click the link to leave that feedback. And so I would click this, and you can watch and see what's going to happen next. On the screen, it tells me that the review feedback link was delivered to the attendee. And let's go ahead, since it's on my phone, you can see that I received the text. And I'm going to click in there, and this is basically the text that they get. Pastor Holland thanks you for the feedback, Calvary Chapel, San Clemente. Important, please click the link. And so I told them that they were going to get a link, and so they'll click the link. And it will take them to the next part of the system. Now, because I put their name and email and telephone number in there, it's all going to fill in, and they're going to see that. And then they're going to scroll down just to the couple of questions that are there. All right, and how was your experience at Calvary Chapel, San Clemente? And they'll do the drop down and say excellent. And the next question, how likely are you to refer us to a friend? And they'll do the drop down on that, and they'll say definitely. Then there's a little box where they can actually fill in, and they can write something if they want. And then there's the star rating. All right, so they'll leave the star rating and then send to Holland, and they'll click the link to send it to Holland. All right, now watch what happens next, because this is the important part. This is how we get the reviews. If they've gone ahead and given us a 4 or 5 star rating, the software in their phone automatically takes them and says, now please leave us a review on Google. And why this works is because it makes it so easy for them to get to actually place a review on Google. And so they'll click this green button. It will take them to our Google review page. Now, I've already left a review, so that's why you can see that there's a review here and a star rating. But if this was someone who had not left a review yet, then there would be no star rating. They would actually pick the review. They would actually type in what they wanted to say as a review, and then they would actually post and hit the post button, and they would post the review and it would go to Google. Now, that's why it's working, and what I want to be able to do for you is to speak with you, say 15 minutes, and answer any questions that you might have, but I want to show you how you can use this review builder for your church. So when this video stops, it's going to send you over to a place where you can actually fill in some information and set up a 15-minute meeting with me so I can answer your questions and show you how this can work for your church. All right, I look forward to speaking with you, and God bless, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.